Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from the Selar platform. In this particular video, I will show you how I'm going to withdraw over 2 million Naira from the platform. So basically, Selar is a platform that allows you to sell, digital products or tickets and all of that. So in this case, I am selling a product. We call it a PLR product. Let me open the product. Is the 15 million plus digital products is a mega bundle for PLR, that is private label right. Private label right is basically a product that you can buy and you have the resale right. That is, you can resell it at whatever price and keep 100% of the profit. In this case, I have over 15 million digital product that you can resell. And that means that you can keep making a lot of money. And it's a very cool price. It's sold for 12.63 pounds. And if you check in dollars, for example, you can, change the currency to whatever you want. It is sold for 16.69 at this point. You can come tomorrow now and the price has increased. So, but we're just giving like a, discount price today. So if you're interested, click on the link in my description and get the product today. So I'm going to show you how I am going to withdraw the money. So the first thing you want to do is go to this hamburger button, and then you go to wallet, and then you go to funds. All right. You go to wallet. All right. So under wallet, you're going to see the money that is available to withdraw. Now, if you go back to this place and you go to upcoming payout, you're going to see that I still have some money that is, supposed to be deposited into the payout. But the one that is currently available to withdraw, you will see them in your wallet. So what I want to do now is I have like 2,094,429 Naira, 6 kobo. So I'll just click on withdraw funds. So once you click on withdraw funds, you can withdraw, and you see their withdrawal fee is just 15 Naira, which is amazing. If you're withdrawing, even if it's 500 or 1,000 or 5 million, the withdrawal fee will still be, 15 Naira. So that is why I always like it to like accumulate before I withdraw. So what I want to do next is make sure that you've already added your account number, and all of that. And that's where you'll be get paid too. So they said withdrawals might take up to 24 hours to reflect in your bank or mobile money. So in this case, I'll just click on withdraw, and then hola, they will just tell me that transfer initiated. Please wait at least 24 hours for funds to reflect in your bank account or mobile money. So if I refresh this now, let's refresh it and see what is going to be there. So when I refresh the wallet, you see that I now have 0 Naira. That means that they've now, transferred the money to me. As you can see here, pay out to bank. All right. And then this is the withdrawal fee. By the way, guys, I just checked my bank account and I realized that the money has been sent into my account. It took less than 5 minutes for the money to get into my account, which is amazing. So as you can see, this is the amount that was sent to me, 2,094,000 Naira, 94,000 and so on. And you can see my current balance is 2.1 million Naira. So this is, something amazing. And this is my bank account. This is GTB, basically mobile banking app, and which is quite amazing. Now, what I'm using here is the Mirror app for MacBook, which it can allow me to view my mobile phone from my laptop. You can see this is the mobile phone. So if I come back here now and go to this place, I can come back to where I am. What I want to do with this money is that I want to invest, like about 1.1 or million Naira into stocks. All right, into shares, especially US shares. Like I want to buy something like Tesla or Nvidia shares or any other shares that I think would be nice for me, and then I will use the remaining money to continue to run advert for my business. So that is how to withdraw money from your Selar account. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section and I'll be happy to support you. And please like this video so that other people can see it. You can also share this video with whosoever you believe would gain value from it. And remember to subscribe to this channel so that anytime I post videos like this, you'll be the first to know about it. Like I said, if you are interested in this product, right, this is the 15 million digital product mega bundle with reset, right? This product is hot at this time, so it means a lot of people are buying it. So just click on the link in my description right now, in this video description, and you're going to be able to buy the product at the current price. I look forward to seeing you on the other side. Cheers.